Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube called Reason to Celebrate. It has blocky, fun occasions to celebrate and smaller little words to sort of play with. So I have started out with a card base. This is cloud cover. Now, I did have, it says 4 pieces, 4x1 of the designer series paper. And honestly, you need 5 pieces of that color. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. And this is Florals in Bloom designer series paper. So what I did was I found another colorway and I sliced a 4x1 inch piece and stuck it down. So you can see my confusion here. I'm like, oh, I need more than 4. I need 5. So I quickly did that off screen and here's the 5th one. And it's a fun one. I like this one. Sometimes I like abstract like that over florals. Who knew? All right, so I have another piece of basic white, and this is Misty Moonlight. So I'm going to use Misty Moonlight ink as well. And that stamp that I was mentioning. So I'm stamping straight away with the word birthday. And then I just got a little extra strip here of just scrap. So I'm stamping off and stamping on again. And then I will stamp off twice. So we're doing a lighter and a lighter look. And some people say to give it the breath of life or to breathe on the stamp. I don't. I just do it like that. Just quick. It's all going to work. But you can breathe on your stamp if you want to. You know, you do you. No, there is no stamp police saying you can't breathe on a stamp. It's your private life. Anyway, I'm using the happy and I'm stamping it jauntily all over everywhere. The front, the back, and then I'm going to adhere it to my card piece. So just straight adhesive, single strip adhesive. And then I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of that. And then here is another piece of basic white. So I could have used a more, I don't know, like less floral, I guess. And I thought about that afterwards going, you know, I actually just like the color of the flowers, but I can see this different papers, maybe less floral, and it could be more of a masculine card. But I'm not going to dictate what's masculine and feminine anymore because I think this would work for anybody. Anyway, I'm going to leave the links to the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really does help my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.